In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a website using Weebly.com. We'll go step by step through the process, ensuring that by the end of this guide, you'll feel confident in building your own website, whether you're looking to create a personal blog, business site, or online store. To get started, open your web browser and go to Weebly.com. This is where you'll begin your journey to crafting your website. Once you're on the home page, look for the option to log in. Instead of creating a new account from scratch, you can simplify the process by clicking on the Login with Google button. This option allows you to use your existing Google account credentials, providing a seamless and secure way to access Weebly without remembering yet another password. With access to your account, it's time to dive into creating or editing your site. On the Weebly dashboard, there should be an option that says Edit Site. Click this to open the Weebly website editor. It's important to take a moment to get familiar with the interface, as this is where all the creativity happens. In the editor, you'll notice various customization tools and features. One important aspect of designing your website is choosing the right layout options, and for today's guide, we're selecting the X-large size from the options available. This might seem like a small detail, but it significantly impacts how content is displayed on different devices. As you continue, you'll want to add some visual elements to your site to make it engaging. One easy way to do this is through the gallery feature. Click and drag the gallery element from the sidebar onto your page where you want the images to appear. Dragging and placing elements is as simple as that in Weebly, which makes it user-friendly for beginners. With your gallery in place, it's time to populate it with images. Click on the Upload Images button to start bringing your site to life. Whether you're using professional photos or personal snapshots, the images you choose will give your website character and relatability. Once you've selected your images, click on Upload. This finalizes the action, making sure your images are stored and displayed on your site for your audience to see. Remember, high-quality images attract more visitors and give your website a polished look. Finally, after you're satisfied with the way everything looks, you'll want to save your work. This is done by clicking the X in the top left corner of the screen. Doing so ensures you've captured all your hard work and creative flair. It's always a smart idea to periodically save your progress to prevent any potential loss of data. And there you have it. By following these steps, you've made significant progress in setting up your first Weebly website. Keep experimenting with different features and layouts to make your site truly unique. Thanks for watching, and happy building.